I set the camera up to do a time lapse of the Seagull pulse motor that I did, where we get some sort of interaction from these other two gulls. Unfortunately, while I've been out, they've actually stuck together. So they're not moving. It's a bit of a problem trying to judge about a magnetism required to get magnetic coupling without them actually swinging across and magnetically linking. So I think that's a bit of a fail. I'll have a look at the camera anyway. Voiceover time. Having studied the time-lapse video, you really can't tell whether we've got any chaotic motion or not. It's just not, you just can't decipher the way it's moving. So I'll add a little bit to the end of it at normal speed, so you can see they are all going at different speeds and the speed is changing. So by my definition, that's chaotic. It's just not very convincing chaotic. It's magnetic coupling, and because they're all swinging at different speeds, it's chaotic. It's not predictable as to exactly what's going to happen. Hi guys, picked this one up in a charity shop today. It doesn't have very many parts to put together, so I think I might crack on and do it. And then I can see if there's any way I can motorise it. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.